I'm not too sure about this.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
What up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Destiny. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I'm trying out a TikTok makeup hack. See if it works. Don't really know, but I'm about to try it out, and we're gonna see how this looks, especially on my skin, dark skin, whatever you want to call it. Sorry for my background. She's a little wrinkled. I just pulled her out of a bag because I don't know where my other ones are at the moment. So we're about to get into this. First things first, I'm gonna act like I did my hair today because I did. So there's no reason for me to have it in a bonnet if I did it. Alright, so huh? Huh?
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is moisturize, and that's honestly the first thing that I do anyways. So I'm trying to see which one I want to moisturize with. So I'm gonna moisturize. Okay, I'm gonna do my regular moisturizing. So I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu. I literally just got this. Focus on Mario Badescu. So I use the Mario Badescu, this spray, and I also use some Vaseline Cocoa butter lotion. So ooh, I literally just got this and I love it. I love it. It looks like it's drying, so I'm just gonna put a little bit amount. Like, I don't go heavy with it, kind of out, but I literally put a little amount. A little goes a long way, especially since I use the other moisturizing from the Mario Badescu. We don't need all that, okay? And honestly, I could go out like this and be fine. I'm just saying.
Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much.
Alright, so now we're going to get some translucent powder. And I wanted to get the banana, Sasha Banana or whatever it's called. Or actually the Laura Mercier one. But I just haven't gotten around to get it. We're going to do half the ColourPop and half the e.l.f. That's what I'm going to do. I'm trying out my own stuff. So she said not too much, just enough. So I'm going to do one half with the ColourPop. And I saw that this wasn't good for you just because something about your pores. But we're going to try this hack out. So this is one side with the powder of the ColourPop. And this side does not. As you can see, we have a more matte finish, and this is more of like a dewy because it's just moisturizer. I mean, let's now go on.
Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one.
So I have two of the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. I have two of these. There we go. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Focus on me. There we go. So I just put the spray on.
After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first.
So now we're gonna take a primer and put the primer on top of the setting spray, but you have to let the setting spray dry first. I don't know if this is really a hack. This is just like a lot that's unnecessary, but hey, whatever, to each its own. You know what I mean? I have 3 primers, but I have the Photo Finish by Smashbox. I have the Too Faced Peach Cooling Matte Skin, this one. And then I also have the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer by Hello Fab. So I have all 3 of these. Which one should I use? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are not it. But in this case, you are it. Okay, so we're gonna use the Too Faced, which I really kind of want to use the Smashbox because it's low-key kind of my fave, but whatever. And I'm kind of out of this, so if I'm out, she might be empty, so we might not be able to use her. This just doesn't make any sense. Okay, this might be a lot. This is a lot. Oh, this is a lot. Oh, I'm so heavy-handed. Oh, that's a lot. But yeah, it doesn't make sense to me, but we're about to find out. I'm not certified MUA, so I don't know if she is, but I'm gonna follow you, Rita. Dip on me. I'm not too sure about this.
Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease. It's a technique that's probably still used by so many other people. I heard that it's been used for like a long time, but I just found out about it. And honestly, look, I don't have the beauty filter on. Try it on you and let me know if it works.
Okay, so I usually crease around here, as you can see around my smile line. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is creasing. And I crease around my eyes. There is creasing. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty. We already know, in the shade 470. I almost said 420. Lies you tell. 470. And honestly, I think I have to get a new one because, like, well, honestly, I don't follow rules anyways. You know how you're supposed to get a new one, like, when it expires in, like, 12 months. I've had Riri for, like, a long time, but who's gonna catch me? The makeup police? I look really crazy. So we're just gonna, because I don't feel. I honestly don't know if I see a difference. I just really don't know. Just because also I don't do my makeup every single day, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Like, I mean, if you guys do, then like definitely tell me from like how my other makeup looks do compared to this one with just the foundation base. Cause honestly, I don't know, and I'm not an MUA. I don't diddly squat about makeup. I know how to do it, where it goes, but the basics of it and like oil for this for oily skin, this for dry skin, I don't know. But I don't know if I can say it truly works. I mean, it may work for her, it may work on other people. Maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I didn't do it right. Or maybe I'm kind of being biased because also I'm doing it at nighttime and I'm about to take it off, not letting it see how it does throughout the entire day. So that could also be something. I would finish the rest of my makeup, but not, it is now 9:31 and I'm not about to do a full face and then take it right off to go to bed. That's just not happening. I kind of just want to do the hack to see if the base works. And I would say it looks nice. I'm gonna say it does give you like a nice finishing touch, like a nice matte finish, kind of like photo finish filter type thing. For me, it's kind of giving me that. So I will give it on that. It did cover up my mole. I do have a mole here and I have a mole here, and it definitely covered up my mole. Usually when I do my makeup, you can still kind of see my mole, so I guess coverage A1. Um, but yeah, I can't really say if it works or not. I can just say it has a nice finish to it. But if it does work on you, if you do want to try it, then you should try it. Let me know if it works on you, if it doesn't or not. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Bye.